Are you gonna pay me back or what? Your parents ran, now the debt's on you. Don't want to pay, then your sister will.
There's no way I'm letting you take my sister. Please help me, Uncle John. They took my sister.
What a pain! Fine, but you'll pay me extra. Interest on top. Don't forget to get up early and work tomorrow.
This place feels even cozier than our house.